Hi everybody, my name's John, owner and operator of Hexels & Sons Marine Engine Repair. I'm going to show you how to, after I just tuned up this outboard motor, and I replaced a lot of parts in it. I replaced the coils, the springs, also the impeller, and I got it running really good. Just want to show you, I want to start it up and show you how it works. Alright? And anytime there's any problems, just come to me and ask me if you have any questions. Usually it starts right up. And usually, when the motor doesn't start, usually a good fucking reason why it doesn't. Oh, I'm sorry, Spencer. I'll be right there, buddy. When it doesn't work, throw it away and just get a new one, guys. Alright? Thank you. It's my advice to you.